Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And I have spotted two payphones, two public phones, as we were coming out of a pizzeria. We didn't expect to find this because you don't see these anymore. I remember back in the days, you didn't want to put your mouth too close to the phone because, so many people come and use it. And they were always disgusting. Look at that. Look at that. And then on the other side here, oh, I spotted one of those lantern bugs. I'm going to zoom into it. Right there. See it? I think they call them lantern bugs. Imagine if these payphones still worked and somebody came and wanted to make a phone call, and then you bump into something like this by the phone without realizing it. Where is it trying to go? At first it looked like it was hurt. Anyway, what I wanted to share was the payphone. It's all full of spider webs. Yuck. So this is a little more area here. They have martial arts, pro nails. Oh, look, it's going up. Let's see what it's going to do. It's getting faster and faster. Okay, so it's climbing all the way up. Has a little bit to go, a little bit more. Look, it climbed up all the way to the top. Yep. Let's see what it'll do there once it reaches the top. Oh. They're huge too. Okay, so I guess it's facing here now. Do you see the eyes? They are so ugly. Alright, I have to go. Well, I think that this will be it. I hope that you enjoyed. And thank you so much for watching.